Hybrid power supply with the modular LED lighting system. An innovative outdoor lighting system with flexible power supply using solar energy or electricity. Choose your favorites from the versatile portfolio. Enjoy quick and easy tool-free installation. First, select a power supply. The system can be powered by either a solar panel, a transformer, or both in combination with the main supply. Choose and assemble luminaires to suit your taste and outdoor space. Garden in-grounds, garden spikes and ball, bollards. Simply plug the products together using the connectors. Combine any number of luminaires with a maximum of 24 watts and connect to the chosen power supply. Only 3 steps to install the hybrid system. 1. Select a power supply. 2. Connect the cables. 3. Select the luminaires. When the battery of the solar module is empty, it automatically switches to mains power if connected. The system is safe for both humans and animals as it's based on a low voltage power supply. Light up your nights with consistent, brilliant and sustainable lighting from LEDVANCE.